This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Ramona Lee. Showings start June 4th. Are you looking for a beautiful custom-built home in Tellico Village with easy/low maintenance inside and out, a unique and efficient design, zero inside steps, low maintenance flooring, spacious doorways, well-appointed kitchen, and peaceful, private lot? If yes, 101 Dudala Way is perfect for you. Tellico Village offers something for everyone, from boating classes to dances and parties to bird watching, fitness and much more. Or stay home in your quiet retreat enjoying a warm cozy fireplace and an oversized deck where you can watch birds, deer, and an occasional fox passing by. No detail has been left unattended in this home. Starting with a private master suite in the rear corner of the house that is spacious, quiet and restful. You will enjoy an oversized master bath featuring a beautiful easy access open tile shower, heated floors and separate his/her vanities with extra cabinets for each. Space flows easily through the master bedroom, bath, closet and laundry, offering easy care, convenience and access. You will love and appreciate the custom upgraded lighting throughout the home and automatic, dust-free, blackout shades in every room. The kitchen is a showstopper with a 10-feet island, granite countertops, double under cabinet lighting, a side beverage center, a side maildrop area, plus a walk-in pantry and more cabinets than you could dream of. You will fall in love with the floor-to-ceiling windows and doors leading to an oversized covered deck featuring ceiling fans, gas grill hookup, metal railings, wooden tongue and groove ceiling, and composite decking. Below the deck is an oversized patio with a hot tub, fenced backyard, and year-round grass turf for easy maintenance. An enormous space under the house gives plenty of extra storage in a climate-controlled, encapsulated space. The front of the house has automatic eave lighting for added security and curb appeal. A beautiful 8-feet, mahogany door greets guests along with wired path lighting. The family room is adorned with a built-in gas fireplace, beautiful custom cabinets and shelving, and a built-in Sonos speaker and surround sound system. The garage offers plenty of space for 3 cars and has an epoxy floor for easy maintenance. There is a privately owned lot next door and a common area behind the home, providing extra privacy and space. Tellico Village provides police, first responders, and fire department personnel for all homeowners, as well as well-maintained roads and streets. You will love your new home at 101 Dudala Way and will enjoy a wonderful lifestyle unique to Tellico Village. Come check it out today. Owner/agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Ramona Lee at 865-342-4200.